Alright, let's make some popcorn without using the microwave. I'm gonna add some oil here. I have my pan already preheated. Alright, now I'm adding my popcorn here. Then we're gonna cover this baby. Let's see what's going on. Let's wait to see what's going to happen. Alright, I think it's done because nothing is popping. Uh-oh, I'm lying, there's one more. So you don't uncover this until you don't hear any sound, anything's popping. So I guess I'm pretty good now. Alright, I'm gonna remove this, put it to the side, and then here we go. Look at that. You got your popcorn. See it? See it? You can add butter or salt. See it? This is it. See? It's hot now. But this is it.